Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up DRM on Gumlet. Let's begin by navigating to your video library and the processing settings. Here you'll find the DRM option. We urge you to take a moment to read all the information carefully. Once your videos are DRM protected, they cannot be decrypted back. If you lack FairPlay credentials, your videos will not play on an iOS browser. Moreover, there are specific devices that don't support DRM videos. Therefore, make sure you're fully informed before you proceed to enable DRM. After saving the changes, navigate to the organization and head over to DRM credentials. Here, you'll see that Widevine is already set up by default. However, you'll need to set up Apple FairPlay. For this, we've created an easy-to-follow document. Ensure you have an Apple developer account and follow the steps provided in the document. Once you've completed these steps, you'll receive all the necessary licenses and keys. With this, your DRM setup is complete. When you navigate to your video library, you'll notice that every video in this collection is DRM protected. Any video you upload to this collection will also be protected by default. Let's upload another video and see. This video is protected by default, and as you can see, when played, my screen appears completely black while recording. This is one of the key protections in place for your videos, blocking any attempts to screen record or download them. It's a powerful way to keep your content secure from piracy and unauthorized access. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.